everyone, my name is Tisha. Welcome to our channel, that is Maza Manch. Today we are going to introduce you one amazing person, and his age right now is 15, and you can't even imagine that his passion is cooking. Yes, you have heard it rightly, that his passion is cooking. And he has done so many experiments in this field, and from fifth standards he know how to cook. So let's get to know him. And his name is Uddhav Godbole. So let's see what he is going to show you. And yes, one more important thing, that is, for him, this is also a first experience. And for the first time he has shown courage to upload this video on this YouTube channel. So ignoring other faults, let's make him happy, let's cheers him, let's support him, let's motivate him. And yes, of course, let's make him famous if he is a worker. Thank you. Let's see.
Hello guys, my name is Uddhav and I'm 15 years old boy. So my passion is cooking. So today we are gonna do a dish named as lemonastic. So in this dish there are four components. That is, one is veg caviar, second is cake, lemon cake, third is meringue, and fourth is a syrup made up of lemon. So as from the name lemonastic, you will be getting that in this the hero element is lemon. So first we are gonna start with a cake. So in this, first we are gonna add half cup of flour, our normal flour. Then we are gonna be adding some soda. That is, I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of soda. Then we are gonna be adding half teaspoon of baking powder. And then we are gonna be sieving this dry flour 3 times. Stop coloring. So now I'm sieving this for third time. Now we are gonna take this dry mixture and we are gonna pour this in dish. Now we are gonna start with our wet mixture. First we are gonna be adding 1/4 cup of butter and oil. I have added half of cups of butter and oil in it. So I'm gonna be adding this. Then I'm gonna be adding half cup of sugar. I have taken icing sugar. You can use powder sugar also. Then, as this is a lemon cake, so I'm gonna be taking 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a hint of lemon zest, and we are first gonna mix this. As milk in it. I have taken cold milk, as if you take warm milk, the milk will get split. So I'm just gonna mix it perfectly, and you have to take care of that there should be no lumps in it. Now as we have mixed this mixture for 2 minutes, now I'm gonna be adding my mixture in this baking tray. I've greased it first with butter paper and some oil. So I have added my mixture. See, you can see the color is so rich and the texture also. Nicely gonna take all the mixture from it using spatula. We are gonna be tapping it so that all the air bubbles get polished. Nicely we are gonna tap it. And now I have preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now we are gonna be keeping our cake for 20 to 30 minutes. So let's keep it. be starting with the second element, that is meringue. For that, we are first gonna add our egg whites into it and a bit of lemon juice. You can use either lemon juice or cream of tartar. As I was not having cream of tartar, so I am using lemon juice. So we are gonna be starting from now you can see that the egg whites are turning creamier, lighter and soft. See, there are nice peaks on it. Now I'm gonna check that the meringue is hard. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip it off like this, and it is not getting, it is not falling. So we can say that it is a perfect hard meringue. So now I'm nicely gonna fold it without wiping the air out of it. Nicely we are gonna fold it. Now I'm adding over here rose essence because egg has a particular flavor or smell to it. So to hide the smell, I'm gonna be adding a bit of rose essence. I've added, sorry. So I just forgot to tell you guys that here I had first added some ice so that the consistency of the meringue is okay. So it's done now. I'm gonna be keeping it in fridge for a 1 hour, mostly 1 hour, 1 to half an hour. Now we are gonna be doing a third element, that is a syrup. It is a syrup which is having chilies, lemon, sugar. So as I'm adding chili flakes over here because it will get so tangy and lemony, so it will give it a cut, like adding my sugar to it. I have taken half a cup of sugar to it, some lemon, taking 3 tablespoons of lemon juice to give it a tangy flavor. Now we are going to be mixing it properly. Nicely mixed. So this third element is done now. We are done with our 3 elements. The fourth and the last element is caviar. I am going to be doing veg caviar. Mostly caviar is a fish egg which is used in savory dishes. It is like it is made. The eggs are of tuna, then many other rich fishes. It is very costly. So I'm gonna start my caviar. I have taken some water over here. I'm gonna be adding half teaspoon of gelatin to it. A bit more. And now I'm gonna be keeping it to bloom nicely. Now I'm gonna be adding some lemon juice. Nicely mix it. As it gets mixed, I'm gonna be adding some food color. I've again taken orange food color over here. See, you can see nice orange color has came now. Now, as I'm mixing, I'm gonna add some sugar. I have taken 1/4 cup of sugar to it. I'm adding 1/4 cup of sugar. Nicely added. Now, I'm gonna be mixing it properly. Mix it till the sugar perfectly mixes in it, and there should be no lumps in it. Now I'm going to be adding my mixture in this container now, and now I'm going to be heating it up. Now it has become nicely reduced. You can see. Now we are gonna cool it for like 10 to 15 minutes, and now I'm gonna start my formation of caviar. I'm gonna be adding my caviar mixture drop by drop in this cold oil with my adding my sauce. Nice. Now I'm gonna be garnishing it with some mint leaf on the top and a dollop of meringue on the side. And yeah, it's done.